या तुम इसे रियूनियन कहो या इसको एलुमनाई मीट कहो, जो भी है एकदम मस्त मजा आया। पूरा वीडियो रॉ रख रहा हूँ और कुछ भी एडिट नहीं किया।
लास्ट डे ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम यही करते थे हम।
Guys, so initially this is where our startup was. Customized mugs.
कितना क्यूट है, कस्टमाइजेशन इन आलवास, सब कस्टमाइजेशन है।
Probably this is for people who have come here today, I guess.
Yes.
Everything in-house.
So we are taking a video.
Beautiful.
We make actually vlog, small vlog in that.
I mean, campus has changed so much. There are so many things have added up everywhere. There's so many things. Look at this.
Look at this. Toy robot. भाई चलता है।
They have got tube lights. Everything is manufactured inside here. I mean, the campus that we saw like 6 years back has completely changed.
robots, and now they are doing.
Hey Hero, how are you?
यहाँ पे खींचना मेरा है।
Okay guys, so who are busy with your work in your family, busy with all the things you're doing, we are back to our first classroom.
भाई क्लास कैसे हो गया, खाली एकदम। अपन एक मिनट, मैं आप इधर बैठूँ।
We were the first bench here.
So this was our classroom. इसमें हम लोग ने बहुत मज़ा किया है। I don't know, I feel like crying, seriously crying.
I swear, देखो, this is where these were our classmates. Some of us are here, but trust me. Kriti, अपन इधर. You sit here. This is our area. This is our region. या तो Ayana would sit next to you, या फिर we like here.
और यहाँ पे हम नीचे बैठ के कितने फोटोज लेते थे यार, इधर ही।
I swear, we'll sit and take again, Ray. We're linking. Do you remember being the student and racking up these things? And here we are back again with those memories.
यार भर भर के रखते थे लेकिन फिर भी एवरेज मार्क्स ही मिलता था।
Oh my goodness. Seniors are now going through everybody's books and files. Once you come to campus, all you have to do is create memories because you got one life and live it to the full.
So there are companies who tell if we have done this thing, 100% we can do. For information, right now, JNNC is a 50-year-old college. In their idea lab, complete industry application products are huge.
Hey boys, how length are you? I miss everyone and every day spent in campus.
मतलब बकचोदी कुछ करना नहीं है तो भाई ये करो।
एज ए एल्यूमनाई जब तुम वापस कॉलेज जाते हो, कितने सारे चीज़ें, दोस्त मेमोरीज, इन्होंने एटलीस्ट लाइक 25 इयर्स के सारे पिक्चर्स एक वॉल पे डाला था। ऑफकोर्स सम ऑफ देम वी न्यू, सम ऑफ देम वी डिडंट न्यू। वी डिड हैव लंच। जब तुम एक दूसरे को देख रहे हो, मज़ा ही अलग था। एंड इवन दे कॉल्ड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एंड पीपल हु हैव बीन लाइक पास्ड आउट स्टूडेंट्स, दे मेड अस स्पीक ऑन द स्टेज। वी शेयर्ड memories, we took pictures, because life is all about creating memories is what I believe in.
Vivek sir had come on roundings that night, and he was like, he took me out, he made me eat food, and he was like, "Nee, it's okay, next time kar lena, next time kar lena." And he stood even till I moved to Dubai. He was there. He asked me. He has been the reason in first investment I totally got into a loss, and the second investment I got.
What was the mistake that made those business to fail?
So hunger of doing things, and I was very. Once COVID was gone, nobody remembers us. So sometimes trend-based businesses are very dangerous. Sometimes you are not good at what you're doing, but you just do. But entrepreneurship is all about experimenting. I would suggest you that. At the same, he knows everything in AI who works with us. So if you do not adapt, people who are younger than.
I take this opportunity to first and foremost, I would like to
I got one of the best faculties I never thought of.
And I can feel how much you love the college, and because of that you are here. I really thank you all for taking your time to be here.
Others make page, content page, so that it becomes viral. Because some people
कैसा लग रहा है अपने college
Breakdowns.
करने के लिए?
मजे आ रहे हैं. The real thing is like we're being frank. We're just being like कि हमें कैसा लग रहा है वही चीज़ बात कर रहे हैं यार. We've been here. We've just been those kids who are not.
Long, मेरा इसका same ही है, from 11th standard to MBA.
तो life मजे है.
Very good. And I miss that life.
So वापस भी can we're just trying to relive that for few moments and then.
Definitely. And this is the amazing team.
They're done with setup and it's going on.
चलो हो गया. Okay, we're done. Thank you so much. We have to go to classroom, right?
How does it feel coming back to campus? बताओ.
like जो लाइफ में पूरा चीज़ें फ्लैशबैक हो रहा है वापस
लिटरली यहाँ से हम लोग ने एग्जाम के लिए मैं भागी हूँ क्योंकि मैं हमेशा लेट आती थी एग्जाम के लिए.
हम कभी नहीं ऑन टाइम है.
मैं इधर से रोज भागती थी, मेरे को इतना याद है.
Already failing 3 touch-ups and then finally life has brought me back into picture. That's what I would say. And like college has been a major part of my life. I was a bachelor's kid who failed in 10 subjects and then moved to MBA. That's where I got to know okay, my department. I mean, I'll always be thankful. Always.
Even heavier dreams. But at AIET, journeys transformed into friendship who continue to strengthen the bond between alumni and AIET.
ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಶೈಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಾಯಿತು.